there! This is Miss Castillo, and I am sure that you are excited for the new normal school scenarios this school year 2020-2021. I am going to give you some tips to prepare before the start of the school year. So here we go. Number 1, change your Facebook name from Kim Soyun, Lodi Kumeme to your real name. Your advisor is currently finding you. Hinahanap ka na ng iyong advisor via Facebook account. So please, change and update your FB name. We will not or hindi namin kayo mahahanap kung ibang pangalan ang inyong ginagamit. Number 2, if you can update your address, kindly indicate what barangay do you reside. Kung barangay Gulod, barangay Bagbag, paki-update po ang ating mga profile. Makakatulong po ito para sa amin, para mahanap kayo dahil marami kayong kapangalan na taga-iba-ibang barangay. Alright? Next number 3. If you have a classmate that is your neighbor, kindly mention him to your advisor's post or forward his or her profile to your advisor. This will really mean a lot. Alright? Next number 4. If you chose modular learning, listen. You will be needing the coordination of your barangay to have your modules that you will use at home. But do not go out to your barangay centers without any information of the process. It is very important to like the Facebook page of your school or contact your former advisor o kaya naman yung advisor mo ngayon kung kilala mo na siya before doing anything. Huwag po tayong lalabas, punta ng barangay at manghihingi ng module kung hindi po sinabi ng ating advisor at kung walang advice ng kahit na sino from the school. Remember, we are not allowed to have face-to-face interaction or classes for us to stay at home. Alright? Next number 5. Instead of scrolling your newsfeed, kindly add your classmate. I am sure that you already have the list of your classmates for this school year. So if we will be having a mutual friends, mas madali namin silang mahahanap at mas madali namin kayong mahahanap kung parehasa tayo ng mga friends sa FB. Alright? Number 6. Do not hesitate to chat your advisor, but be respectful. You may chat your advisor by, number 1, greeting, magandang umaga, magandang tanghali, magandang hapon, o kaya'y magandang gabi. Pero huwag na tayo mag-chat ng magandang gabi kung hindi naman po importante. Next one, your name. Ako po si, pakilagay po ang iyong pangalan. Next, your section. Mahalagang i-indicate mo kung ano ang section mo para malaman mo kung tamang advisor ba yung chinachat mo. And for the last one, phone number. We already have the copy of your numbers by your LESF, but some of it were not active or hindi namin sila makontak. Pag chinat nyo po kami, please indicate the active number of your guardian or yung mga number na ginagamit po at home. This is very important for all types of learning or learners, module, blended, or online. Especially blended and modules because we will not have or we will not communicate on a daily basis in online, so it is very important for us to have your phone numbers. Next number 7. If you are already FB friends with your teachers, please be mindful about what you post on your Facebook as much as we do not want to invade your personal space. Kung friends na kayo ni teachers sa Facebook, please paki-refrain po yung mga pagpo-post or pag-share ng mga malicious post or mga medyo ekis na mga post. Alright? Next number 8. If you already have a chat box, please refrain using profanity words, and that is a golden rule. What is a golden rule? Huwag po tayong magmumura o kaya naman po ay gagamit ng mga salita na hindi naman dapat o hindi angkop na gamitin sa loob ng klase. Kahit na online po tayo, lagi po natin iisipin na nasa klase pa rin tayo at 24/7 na nakikita ni teacher yung mga pinopost, chinachat natin doon sa GC. So please be mindful. And for the last number 9, spread love and positivity. Let us use the social media to extend our love and care to our frontliners, doctors, teachers, food industry workers, bankers, and people who sacrifice their safety for us to study in the comfort of our homes. Together, we will heal as one. Good luck, students, and good luck, teachers.